Saxon Phonics, Lesson 56. Repeat these words and listen for the sound in the final position. Table, thimble, bubble. What sound do you hear in the final position? Table, thimble, bubble. Right, bowl. This sound is different from those we've been learning because it contains two sounds, b and l. What do you see that might make the bowl sound? Table. Right, the B, L, and E. The E is silent, but the B and L is what we hear. Ta-bowl. Thimble. What letters are making the bowl sound? Yes, B-L-E. Next one, bubble. Bubble. B-L-E. The B-L-E makes the bowl sound, the B-L sound. B-L-E is something new that we call a final stable syllable. Why do you think we call it final? Yeah, it's the final part of the word, the final position, or it's at the end. Why do you think we call it a syllable? Do you know? It has its own vowel sound. The strange thing about it being a syllable is that we don't see the vowel that makes the sound. The vowel E that we see doesn't make a sound. It's silent. If we were coding, we would cross it out because it's quiet and doesn't make a sound. Let's see if you can guess the key word and picture for our bowl sound. This is a ball of air or other gas. It can be made by soap or boiling water. You may blow one of these with gum. What do you think it is? Bubble. When you see this card, say bubble bowl. The keyword bubble helps us remember the bowl sound because bubble ends with bowl. Go ahead and get out your worksheet and let's start with numbers 1 through 10. Number 1, t, t. T and ed can make the t sound when it's at the end of a word. Number 2, f, f. F. And sometimes we get the f sound when we have two F's. Number 3, th, th. TH makes the th sound. 4, x, x. X. Number 5, ooh, ooh. Double O makes the ooh sound, like in the word to-ooth. Number 6, Another double O, like in the word h-ook. Number 7, I. I And did you remember to put I, consonant E? Because that sneaky E will sneak around the consonant and scare that I into saying its name. He says I. Number 8, E. E. E, and double E also says E. Number 9, K. 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 C. CK, and KE all make the K sound. Number 10, G. 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 Now let's spell some words. Number 11, need. Need. N-E-D. N-E-D. N-E-E-D. Number 12, good. G-U-D. 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 G-O-O-D. Good. Number 13, bull. Bull. Right, the letters we just learned. B-L-E make the bull sound, like in the word bubble. Number 14, let's write the word bubble. B-A-B-Bull. B-A-B-Bull. B-U-B-B-L-E. Bubble. Number 15, dribble. Dr-I-bull. Dr-I-B-B-L. D-R-I-B-B-L-E. Dribble. Number 16, table. T-A-bull. T-A-bull. T-A-B-L-E. Table. Look at 17 through 21. Which one spells the word pebble? Pebble. P-E-bull. Right. Number 19. Number 22 through 26. Which word says van? V-A-N. V-A-N. Number 25. Flip your worksheet over. Max and Ming like to make bubbles. The bubbles rise up and pop as they hit the table. Don't hit the table and don't pop. Max likes to hit those bubbles and make them pop. Repeat each sentence after me. Max and Ming like to make bubbles. The bubbles rise up and pop as they hit the table. Some don't hit the table and don't pop. Max likes to hit those bubbles and make them pop. What do Max and Ming like to do? What do Max and Ming like to do? Number 2. What do the bubbles hit as they rise? Ming, Max, the table. Who hits the bubbles to make them pop? Table, Max, Ming. When you're finished answering these questions on the back, go ahead and submit your worksheet to your teacher.